is in two parts. You have your drive part, which is all here driven, driving the chain, right from the sprockets, the clutch assembly, the bar to the chain. All this is one part on this side of the ABS system. On this side is your engine and all the mechanics of what happens to make that drive part work. That actually physically turns and moves and does whatever to drive this. And if you can separate those two, and keep in mind that this is one component and this is another, if you can teach your students that how important this is and how fundamental this is to take care of, right from the sprocket, the clutch to the sprocket to the tip of the bar, you're going to save them hours of headaches and all kinds of things.
That's Arbor Canada. We're here for you.